Hi there. Now we will learn about the HTML colors. So in HTML, you can add color to your web pages in several ways. So colors are usually applied using CSS, but understanding how colors work in HTML is essential. Here is a guide to using colors in HTML. So color values in HTML are many and many. So we will take the three of them to style our heading here. HTML supports multiple formats for defining colors, each offering different ways to represent them. So our first one will be with the hex codes. This one will represent colors with the 6 or 3 characters prefixed with the hash. Let's say style here, color, and as a value here of the color, we want to do the prefix hash here and followed by 3 or 6 characters. It's commonly used in the web design. An example, we want like a shade of red. Let's make it with the F5 and 733. This one 6 characters. Save it and here we go. The shade red here. Or we can do the 3 digits also or 3 characters. Save it. Let's make it 333. And this one it will back to black. And here we can specify our color here, the RGB. Here we go. And this one, let's make it a yellow one. So with the second title here or the second heading here, we want to specify the color in another method, which is called in the RGB method. RGB stands for the red, green, blue. Uses values between 0 and 255, which is the 255 for each color component. Example, let's make style, color, and let's make the RGB, and between the parentheses here, we can specify 3 values. For the first one will be the red. So the red, we can make it like 255, and as a second one we want like, for example, 87, and as a third one we want like 51. Save it, and this one it will give us another color also. And here the beauty of the VS Code editor here, it allows you to pick another color here from your editor. Let's make it light blue. Save it, and there we go. As a third method of defining a color in the HTML here, with the attribute style, with the color name. Like HTML has like 140 predefined color names like red, blue, green, orange, yellow, and name it whatever you want. And here we can specify it in green. Save it, and there we go. So use the color to guide the user's attention. For example, use vibrant colors for call to action buttons and muted colors for backgrounds. With these techniques, you can effectively incorporate colors into your web design, enhancing both aesthetics and user experience. So thank you, and make sure to subscribe and smash the like button.